बज रहे हैं 8 और हम आए हैं ऑफिस के बाद।
तो ऑफिस ख़त्म हुआ और हम आ गए हैं एक नया एडवेंचर ट्राई करने के लिए, आपको दिखाने के लिए वो फैसिलिटी, और वो एडवेंचर है
स्केट बोर्डिंग। Skateboarding, what we do is they get a minute to show what they have got. Okay, so in a minute they will drop in from there, do an ollie, do a kick turn, make a trick, and show you what they can do. Okay, and use the whole space. We're just showing here what makes a skateboard. So this wooden part is the deck. On the deck we have a sticker which is called the grip tape, so you can stand comfortably on the board and your feet doesn't skid. And then you have this metal part is called the truck, and then you have the wheels, and inside the wheels is the bearings. So bearing, wheel, truck, deck and the grip tape, these 5 things together make this skateboard. बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं कि सर ये स्केटबोर्ड के ऊपर मैं स्टंट कर सकता हूँ क्या, स्टंट? तो वी टेल देम इन अ स्केटबोर्ड, ऑन अ स्केटबोर्ड यू नेवर डू स्टंट्स. वो जो आप करते हो दे आर ट्रिक्स. सो यू कैन डू ट्रिक्स, जैसे यू कैन जंप एंड फ्लिप योर बोर्ड एंड स्टैंड ऑन द बोर्ड अगेन, सो दैट्स अ फ्लिप, किक फ्लिप और हील फ्लिप, जैसे भी यू डू इट, बट दीज आर ऑल ट्रिक्स. So these are not stunts. Yeah, bike पे you do stunts, या कार में you do stunts, but on a skateboard you do tricks. So guys, I just wrote these few skate terminologies for you for your better understanding. So what all these that you see here in the skate park, they are quarter pipes. Okay, the reason they are called quarter pipe is because it is 1/4 of a circle or a pipe. So quarter pipes are very, very popular with the skateboarders because they normally drop in from here. They do a lot of tricks on the quarter pipes. Then the launcher is what you see there. So launcher is basically from where you launch yourself. So you do a air ollie or you do any air tricks. So you come in a speed, then on the launcher you launch yourself. Okay. Then you have, I'm going to tell you about some tricks that I noted down for you. Ollie. Normally when we jump, in normal terms we say you are jumping. But when you are jumping on a board, on a skateboard, and it's called an ollie. So it's also a trick. And ollie is like the base of many of the tricks. Then drop in. So when you are up on the quarter pipe or up on those banks and you want to roll down or come down, that's called the drop in. Okay. So drop in is also one of the basic and the first steps you do when you start learning skateboarding. Initially, when you try dropping in, it looks very scary. But once you get used to it, then it's very, very normal. Then you have the half cab. It's also one of the tricks in which you use the ollie. But ollie is you just jump on the board. In half cab, you jump on the board and you turn 180 degrees. So it's called a half cab. So like this, there are hundreds of tricks in skateboarding. Okay, and then any skater, like for example, I want to check whether you are going to be a goofy or a regular. And you must be thinking, what is goofy and what is regular? Yeah. So just like in cricket, you have a left-hand batsman, right-hand batsman. In skateboarding, you have either a goofy skateboarder or a regular skateboarder. So regular is when you are pushing from your right foot, and goofy is when you push from the left. But here it's goofy and regular. Goofy and regular. Okay. So I want to check whether you are going to be a goofy or a regular. So this is a football. Okay. Assume. Just kick this ball. Okay. So you are kicking this ball like this. So this foot is going to be on the board, and you're going to be pushing with the left foot. So that means you're going to be a goofy. आपको पैर रखना है, ठीक है. उसके बाद आपको पुश करना है इसको, और फिर ये आपकी राइडिंग पोजीशन.
टर्न करना है राहुल, ये ऐसे है।
क्या कर रहा है? हैं? किसने सिखाई टेक्निक?
पूरे गार्ड लेके आओ, पूरा सेट।
मेरे लिए गार्ड्स मंगाए जा रहे हैं क्योंकि सर को समझ आ गया है कि मैं टूटने वाला हूँ। अब तो कर लूँगा, कर रहा हूँ, सेफ फील कर रहा हूँ। अब मेरे पास गियर्स आ गए सारे, जितने सारे पहना दो मुझे।
तो आप गिरोगे तो ऐसा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, आगे ऐसे हाथ, ऐसा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। तो थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंटली आप करोगे।
यस,
ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है, ठीक है, और बिल्कुल भी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में नहीं करना। 1 2 हाँ, गुड। Both of you have to go that side and then turn your board and come back here.
कौन पहले करता है?
कौन पहले वापस आए और बीच में गिरेगा नहीं, जो गिरने वाला होगा वो ऑब्वियसली डिस्क्वालीफाई।
ये वैसे बचपन से करते हुए आ रहे हैं।
बचपन से
लेकिन-
नहीं करता आ रहा हूँ, बचपन में एक बार स्केटबोर्ड
खरीदा था ना मैंने, तो वो भी नहीं किया।
वो भी टॉय वाला।
So Rahul and Prithvi have just taken skateboarding classes only for 5 minutes and both of them are comfortably riding the board now. So we are going to do a small, let's say, competition for them, and the competition is that they have to ride their board, go until there and come back. The one who comes back is going to be the winner of this competition. Okay? Ready guys?
रेडी।
चलो करते। Here is the ultimate champion.
In a historic event, the Godfather has been, in a historic event, the Godfather has been defeated.
मैं जीता हूँ, मैं बच्चों।
Me.
और मेन चीज ये कि ये बचपन से करते हुए आ रहा है। इसके पास
नहीं अरे
टॉय
बचपन में
स्केटबोर्ड
एक
था,
बार स्केटबोर्ड खरीदा
एक
था।
बार था लेकिन वो भी था।
एंड थैंक यू टू दिल्ली स्केटबोर्डिंग एकेडमी, थैंक यू टू सर जिन्होंने 5 मिनट के अंदर राहुल को मुझे इतना स्केटबोर्ड, एंड दिस इज अ बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर अस।
For 5 minutes it's achievement.
थैंक यू।
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था यार हमारा। अगर आज की वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें
और फॉलो करें हमारे चैनल को। कमेंट सेक्शन में कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करें हमारे आने वाले यंग टैलेंट्स को और देखते रहिए यारी एडवेंचर्स।
Hello everyone, I am Shivam Bhalara. I am from Delhi and I skate in Delhi Skateboarding Academy. I have participated 2 times in international championships and represented India in year 2018 and year 2019. I just wanted to give a message that you also should do skateboarding because it's an upcoming sport and it has also joined the 2020 Olympics, which are postponed right now, but it has been added in the Olympics. So I just wanted to say that you can also join skateboarding and let's skate together.